Hey there, welcome to today's CT Style Express. I'm Natasha Lubchenko. If your child gets hurt, a question you may have is, how do I file a personal injury claim, and can I do it on behalf of my child? Well, joining us now with some answers are attorneys Alex Mario and Jessica Ayala from the Carter Mario Law Firm. Ladies, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Important topic. Alex, I want to start with you. What is the difference between a child's personal injury claim and an adult's?
There's not really a difference between a child and adult's personal injury claim. Injuries are injuries. The difference might be more so the type of the injury sustained, because if like a scar on the face of a child is a lot worse, they have a lot longer to live than an adult who's, towards the end of their life and doesn't have as much time.
Okay, so important to note there. Jessica, can a parent claim compensation on behalf of their child?
Yes, indirectly. And so if a child is injured in an accident or a dog bite or by the negligence of another party, the parent will bring the claim on behalf of the child. And so as long as the child is a minor under the age of 18, it's the parent's responsibility or the legal guardian's responsibility to bring the claim on behalf of that child. And so if a value of the claim, if the child's injuries or medical bills end up being less than $10,000, then it's at the parent's discretion as to whether or not to resolve the case. If the value of the claim, and most often is over $10,000, then really it's the probate court's discretion. And so we would have to apply to probate and say, hey, this is why the case is worth X amount of dollars. The probate judge would have to approve the settlement, and then that money would go into a restricted account until the minor becomes age of majority, which is 18.
Okay, great to know there. Now, Alex, if someone's child does get hurt, are there any steps they should take to make a better case for themselves, either at the scene or maybe immediately after?
They should always take pictures, videos, anything they can do to collect evidence in the immediate aftermath is extremely helpful. And they should also seek medical treatment. That should be the second thing they do after they take pictures if they can. And then after they've done that, then they should seek the services of an attorney. And there's not, unlike doctors where there's a pediatric doctor, a specialty for children, there's not a pediatric personal injury lawyer. So they should just seek the help of any personal injury lawyer.
Okay, and Jessica, bouncing off of this, these cases I'm sure are, every case, personal injury case, has some sort of emotion involved, but with children, I would imagine it's heightened. In these cases, do you think it's even more important to get a lawyer involved for the parents and the child?
Absolutely. A child is a prized possession, right? As a mom, my kids mean the world. As parents just want the best for their children, and so when their child is injured as a result of somebody else's negligence, it's so critical to reach out to an attorney, find out what are the necessary steps so that they can get the best result for their child and they could provide their child with the best opportunity to be compensated.
All right, really great information. Attorneys Alex Mario and Jessica Ayala from the Carter Mario Law Firm. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
You.
All right, and of course you can learn more at cartermario.com. We will see you back here tomorrow.